from Texas. So I graduated high school, and then I took a full scholarship to go up to the University of Oklahoma. During my second year, my daughter Sadie was born, so that was definitely a big life change for me. I had to, leave college. So yeah, I ended up joining the Marine Corps. So we got married when my daughter was a few months old. I went to Afghanistan and came back, and unfortunately, the marriage ended after that. Coming back from Afghanistan, you definitely have some lasting issues that you come back with, the PTSD issues, of course. Getting the military disability level raised was pretty important. See, left knee is 10% right now, right knee is 10%. I started working as a Veterans Disability Coordinator, and that means that I am kind of the liaison between the veterans and the Veterans Administration to get them what they need. But I can do that remotely. So I decided to take a visit to Alaska just because I had seen how beautiful it was. So I got to Alaska during summer, absolutely fell in love with the place. So I ended up moving to Alaska. And then winter happened. The first week that it snowed, I went outside and I slipped on the ice and I tore my meniscus and my ACL and my knee. So I was stuck inside and I didn't have much to do. I started watching a lot of travel vlogs, and one randomly popped up and it was somebody in Thailand. Then they started talking about the prices, how cheap rent was, how cheap the meals were, how cheap drinks were. I was thinking at that point that, once I'm healed up with this leg issue, it seemed like this was the country that I should be in. And Sadie's actually 15 now, and she's pretty excited for me to move to Thailand, because for her, it means a new trip with daddy and getting a passport and then future travels from there. So once I decided to pull the trigger, I sold everything that didn't fit into 2 carry-on bags, and I bought a one-way ticket to Thailand. And just diving into the unknown, I'm just really looking forward to finding a peaceful place that I can call home. And Chiang Mai is a city that I'd never even heard of until I came to Thailand. I flew into Bangkok, I had some fun there, I went down to the islands, I perused down there, but then I started meeting some people, and they started telling me that I should definitely check out Chiang Mai, the city up in the north. They said that it would probably be more my speed.
Expat likes to come to Chiang Mai because it's a very comfortable city and it's nice all year round to live here. So Chiang Mai is friendly for the people and friendly for the wallet. The weather here is much cooler than other cities because we are in the mountain. We have nature, we have all kinds of activities that people like. So tell me, what are you looking for?
A condo or maybe a 1-bedroom for sure, just to make
bedroom?
sure that I have the separation from the kitchen and the living room into the bedroom. I do have a daughter who's gonna come visit eventually, so she can have her room and everything,
Right.
so that'd be nice. I'd like a pool. If I get hot or I wanna go cool off, or if I wanna take some laps and work out or something, that would be nice.
Which area?
I wanna be close enough to the old city, but I don't wanna be right in the old city. I wanna be a few minute drive away. I definitely want to make sure that there's a good AC in the room.
AC,
Air
yeah.
conditioning is very good for me. I run pretty hot. In Thailand, I'm sweating all the time, so
Right.
want to make sure that that's good.
So you need furnished or unfurnished?
I would like to move into a place that's furnished. I'd like to, not have to go shopping for my own couch and style and everything.
Yeah.
I would like, and also, the look of the place is important to me. I do want a sleek, kind of modern look.
Okay.
Kind
Sleek
of
and
something, young looking, cool looking.
Right.
So and I'd say, honestly, that the most important thing for me is I need to have a balcony and a view. I want to be able to go outside in the morning or at night, relax, look at, whatever the view is, and just enjoy the nature and the beauty of this city.
How much are you willing to spend?
Probably around the $450 area.
Okay,
$450.
$450. So what Tommy asking for is very realistic, but it's very hot market right now. And if he really finds something he likes, he should grab it and don't hesitate. How's the barbecue? You like it?
It is sitting very well. It was nice to have a good taste of home with that barbecue.
Yeah. This place I'm going to show to Tommy is 1-bedroom condo, very modern, very new. It's like not far from old city area, and it's good that if he think about his daughter, this is like fancy, but it's good for a young lady like Sadie.
All right, is this it?
Hey, yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay, I like that's modern and sleek. I do like that.
And
Okay.
it's brand new.
Okay. So what floor would I be on? I see balconies.
It's on the 4th floor,
Fourth floor,
facing in
okay.
the back, which you can see the mountain. You see over there?
Oh man. Okay. So good view. I like that. All right. And what is the price we're looking at?
570.
That's not okay. 570. Okay. Well,
Yeah.
we'll see. She told me I would be the first person living in this place. I kind of like that aspect. It's also definitely what I'm looking for as far as the area that I want to be in. Whoa, okay, I like this. This is nice and sleek looking.
Fully furnished, you get everything you see here.
And I see
We have built-in microwave, stove, and the hood.
Okay, good. So I can do some cooking if I need to. Big old fridge, I love this.
Yes.
Okay, so I can put all my goodies in here.
freezer.
Whoa. Okay. This I'm loving. Look at this huge window in this view.
Surprise! You like it?
I love this.
Yeah.
See the whole mountain. That's idiosyncrasies, right?
It's idiosyncrasies. Have you been up there?
I have. I've been up there a couple times. I loved it.
Yeah. It's green, it's nice and quiet.
This view is incredible. This is exactly what I was looking for as far as the view goes. I do think Umi's pushing it a little bit with the price on this one. I definitely said my limit is around 450 and this is 100 or so over that. Okay.
Here's the bedroom.
Bedroom time. Let's see what we got. Oh, okay.
Is it comfy?
Well, it's solid.
And you just get the AC right at you.
Yeah, right on me. I'm gonna need that. Whoa, this is all part of the same room.
Yeah.
That echo. Ooh, it's so much room here.
You just get a very nice closet here.
I get my own private washing machine?
Yeah, in the bedroom.
It's maybe even a little too classy and clean
Have
for
the
me.
sink here too.
I do like this, okay.
It's outside the bathroom. Nice design.
Oh, I love the rain shower. I like the shower that has the
Yep.
water. I've never had one of those. I've always seen them in shows and movies.
You also have the bathtub here.
A bathtub in Thailand?
Yeah.
It's also going to be really great for when Sadie comes to visit. She can have her own space and we can kind of, we can have fun and have our separate areas to sleep.
Here comes the surprise.
Whoa, okay.
It's big swimming pool, right?
Dang, it's giant. I could definitely see myself lounging by this pool on a hot day. I've got my place right there, a pool. Fantastic.
What do you think about this place?
I like it. It's very roomy, it's very spacious, it's classy. The price, though, is way over what I was hoping to spend. Do you maybe have a cheaper place you could show me?
If Tommy wants something cheaper, I get him something cheaper. Here we're gonna show you another room. And this building is in Chiang Mai area. I'm gonna show Tommy this condo that has 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 1 separate kitchen at 400 square feet. It's right in the city, but not in the old city, but it's close enough.
Alrighty. Okay. I like this. It's kind of toned down, but still really nice and respectable.
Yeah.
So I do notice a lot of noise from the road. It seems like we're pretty close to this busy road right here.
Yes.
What floor is this one going to be on?
It's on the 6th floor.
6th floor. Okay, maybe that'll be far enough away so I don't hear
Right.
it.
So most people who live in this area are expats.
Okay, good. I'll have some people to maybe meet as I go out.
Yes.
Fantastic. All right.
It's 1 bed and 1 bathroom.
And what's the price of this one?
It's $375.
$375. Okay, I like that price. I like that price. I'm ready to check it out.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Having my own bedroom and bathroom, the separate bedroom and bathroom is pretty important to me, and getting it for the price of $375, that seems pretty outlandish to me, so I'm kind of excited.
Here's the room, Tommy.
Okay,
What do you think?
okay. This is quaint, kind of compact. Nice kitchen, got a whole area. Basically, yeah, you got a burner here, you got a full sink and everything.
Yeah.
Plenty of storage space. My own washer, I do
Yes.
like that. Microwave, got it. Nice big fridge, I
Yeah.
like this. Okay. Nice little dining area. Okay, let's go see what's on the balcony. It's a little small, kind of seems to be the theme of this place.
Yeah. Have the view, but not exactly like a mountain view.
Not even close.
Yeah.
This view is, I gotta say, underwhelming to me. I was looking for more of a nature view, maybe some mountains and stuff like that. Seems like the balcony is way too small. Adding that together just doesn't seem like quite what I'm looking for.
It's bathroom.
Ooh, is that a rain shower?
Yeah.
Okay, I've always wanted one. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice tile, too.
Yeah.
Man, I feel like Rihanna in here.
Mm.
Fantastic.
I know Rihanna, but I don't know why Rihanna has something to do in the shower.
I will say this, though, about the rest of the bathroom. If you're not in the actual shower in the Rihanna room, then it feels like I'm in a hospital bathroom. Uncomfortable. But, okay. Nice, simple bedroom. Ooh, I see where I could actually have an office.
Yeah.
Man. All right. Sit here. Can definitely put a computer and a
Yeah,
screen
you're
right
close
here.
in. See?
And what in the world? Okay. Nice little light in there.
Yep.
I like this. You know, and I actually really like the kind of more minimalist kind of design of this whole place.
Yeah.
You know, these like kind of basic colors and stripes on the wall, the recessed lighting and everything.
Yeah.
I'm kind of a fan of it. To make this space work for when Sadie comes for a visit, I'd have to make some alterations to it. I'd probably have to get rid of the couch and get a much bigger, probably a pull-out bed sofa couch. Seems like I'm moving puzzle pieces to make my living space work.
Here come the surprise.
Ah, okay. Wow, I actually really like this pool. This actually looks really nice.
Yeah, the whole building.
Yeah, then the building, I like the artsy aspect of this building.
So Tommy, what do you think about this condo?
I like the area. I'm not a huge fan of the noise that I can hear from the road right over here.
Yeah.
And honestly, the whole kind of puzzly nature of the house where it feels like I'm in a puzzle room to live and I have to walk around and move things. I'm really not a huge fan of that. Balcony was there. It was definitely,
To spa.
definitely was looking for a little better view. Was not very fond of the view that I have there. I would much rather have a more nature-friendly view.
Yeah.
So it's kind of, I don't know, there's some great amenities, but as far as the actual living space goes, I don't think I liked it that much.
This neighborhood is called Chiang Mai area. It's about 10 minutes to the old city. It's close enough to see the mountain view from this building on the 12th floor.
This is it right here?
Yes.
Okay.
What do you think?
I like the area. I like that it's quiet and kind of calm over here, but this building kind of seems like an eyesore sticking out of the middle of some nature. So
Yeah.
I'm not really too sure about it.
It's a spacious studio.
A studio.
Yes, but it's spacious.
Okay, but I like my privacy, and Sadie's going to be visiting, so
Yeah.
is it something that you think I'd be able to work with?
Don't worry, you're gonna love it.
We'll see. What's the price on it?
It's $230.
It's like a storage unit in the United States.
Are you ready to check it out?
Yeah, let's go to the 12th floor.
Yes.
I'm really hoping for a one-bedroom. Thought I made that pretty clear with Umi. I'm not really sure why I'd even go look at a studio. Seems like it'd be way too small for me, but I guess we're gonna check it out either way.
Here comes the studio.
Okay. It's quaint, simple. I like the style of it. It's a little... Okay, hold on. Umi, you didn't tell me it had this kind of a view. Is that idiosyncrasies?
It's isotep right there.
Okay. Wow. I love the fact that I can look over the entire city. I can see the old city, which I love going to and touching the walls. I can see idiosyncrasies, which I can drive up to on the mountain. I can see the entire city and then some past the mountains. This view that I have is absolutely amazing. Alrighty. I don't know if I can see me and my daughter being here if she comes for a trip. Couch, this is, I like the fact that it seems like I have everything that I need very close by. It doesn't feel as
Not so
compact
cramped.
as some of the others. It doesn't feel as cramped.
Yeah.
I kind of like the room that I have. Even though it is just a studio, I have so much room that it doesn't even feel like a studio. Okay, nice closet space.
Here's the bathroom.
Ooh,
Rain shower.
like-
Look.
A rain shower, yay!
Rain shower too.
Okay, and I like that it's a rain shower and everything, but it's got this clear plate and it doesn't feel like I'm two separate. The bathroom feels still pretty big.
Yeah. I feel that he loves the view and that's enough for him. And I think he thinks about he can save a lot of money. So Tommy, what do you think about this place?
No surprise?
No more surprise. Sorry. No gym, no pool, not modern, not sleeky, but this is what you get for $230.
Then I'm not entirely sure about the space in general. I like some of the look of it. I love the view.
Yeah.
I would marry the price if I could. I'm kind of on the fence. I know Umi's trying to show me options and maybe trying to show me something that I didn't know that I wanted. I'm not absolutely in love with any of these places, so this is probably gonna be a hard decision.
How your Thai tea?
It's delicious, nice and refreshing.
Right. Not too sweet?
Perfectly sweet.
Yeah, this is good too.
Starting a new life can be, scary and, there's a lot going on. I'd say probably the hardest thing is just how much I miss Sadie. So the plan is to have her eventually get a passport and then come visit me here in Thailand.
What do you think? Maybe just get rid of the one you like the least.
Get rid of one.
Yeah.
That place that we saw that had the separate kitchen with the sliding glass doors, I really like that. I like my separate private room, but I'm just not a huge fan of the puzzle place. When Sadie comes to visit, I'm not sure how that would be comfortable for her sleeping on there. There's just no real room for her. So yeah, I'd say the puzzle place could probably get out of there.
That one out?
I'd say we can get rid of the puzzle place.
And what the other fancy place?
The one was super nice, very, very fancy, very bougie, it felt like. The bougie place had a bougie view, and I definitely loved that.
Yeah.
You see the whole mountain, that's Doi Suthep, right?
It's Doi Suthep.
It had a separate bedroom, and then it had a hallway to a big bathroom. I loved the bathtub that was in there. Kind of felt like I was in a spaceship. However, the price. Quite over what I was looking to spend.
So, what do you think about the studio then?
I do not like the building at all. It's definitely, quite the ugly thumb just sticking out of the middle of nature, it seems like. But, that view, it's amazing. You didn't tell me it had this kind of a view. Okay. Wow. Getting into the room, though, it's quite small. I definitely wanted my own space. And for when Sadie comes to visit, that seems like a pretty tough place to make work. With Sadie coming to visit and the spatial issue, I'm just not sure, I don't necessarily want to be seeing her sleeping on the couch and vice versa. I want us to be able to be comfortable and I'm just not sure if that would happen in the studio. I really, really like the aspect that in the bougie place, me and Sadie, when she comes to visit, we would have our separate rooms. We'd have our privacy.
Wow, but you would save $340 per month in a year. You can save up for $4,000. You can take Sadie out for vacation in the beach, or a Samui, renting a villa on the beach and then spend a month there. You save a lot of money.
Okay, I never really thought of it that way. I never thought about, the money I'm saving. If I pick that place, I could use that and I could just travel around Thailand when Sadie comes to visit. With the money that I could save in the studio, I think I'm gonna go with the studio. I'm absolutely loving Chiang Mai. I feel like I'm finally secure and set in my new home. I didn't originally think I wanted this open floor plan. I wanted for sure to have that separate room, I thought. But I came in here and I started looking around. I looked at the view that I can see from every part of this room. I looked at how I can move things around and kind of manipulate it to make it my space. And this place just turned into my space. I love it. So I'm really disappointed I didn't get the pool, but I realized, I can just go to any of these places around me and I can go to the pool. This place costs about as much as a storage unit in the United States. And I'm using that money to just gallivant around Southeast Asia and explore.